1 year, the average family of 4 living in a town or city uses about 180,000 liters of water, enough to fill 4 large tanker trucks to overflowing. If we are to stay healthy, this water has to be clean and safe to use. In areas where it is difficult to get water, many people have to make do with only a few liters of water a day. How is water made safe to drink? Water taken from river or reservoir is dirty. The diagram opposite shows how it is cleaned and made it safe. Sewage. Used water is called sewage. Usually sewage is passed through a big pipes to sewage works for cleaning. Sewage contains lots of harmful germs and poisonous substances. It has to be cleaned before it can be safely returned to a river or pumped into the sea. Where our water comes from? The water we use comes originally from rain or snow. In the country, some people still get their water from a stream or well. In towns and cities, streams and wells cannot provide enough water for the people who live there. In a few countries, fresh water is obtained from seawater. The salt water is removed from seawater by a process called desalination. In other areas, water is taken from lakes, rivers, or reservoirs. 1. Water is pumped from the base of the dam into the treatment plant or water works where it is cleaned before it is being supplied to the local area. 2. At the treatment plant, the water is first pumped into a large settling tanks. 3. Chemicals are added to make the bigger pieces of dirt and soil stick together and settle to the bottom of the tank. This dirt is then removed. 4. The water is passed through filter beds of sands and gravel where the smaller particles of dirt are removed. 5. Although the water now looks clean, it still contains harmful germs that are too small to be filtered out. A gas called chlorine is added to the water to kill these germs. In some areas, a chemical called fluoride is also added to the water to help prevent tooth decay. 6. Now that the water is clean and germ-free, it is pumped along large underground pipes called water mains to storage tank. 7. The tank supplying your area may be on a hill or at the top of a tower to give the water enough pressure to push it along the pipes to the taps in your home.